lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budget HK. How are you, lovelies? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having fun saving and planning for your 2025, either savings or budgeting or your long-term goal this year. But for me, I haven't planned it yet because I'm too busy to plan it. But what I want to do before I plan 2025, I want to finish some of the saving challenges. Without further ado, let's start. So before that, please put a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I'll be updated on my next video. I'm going to have a giveaway soon for my 500 subscribers, but at the moment, let me finish some of my uncompleted saving challenges, or maybe I will not complete it and I will just show you how much I save for that. So let's start. So what I have here is $180. It's supposed to be saved every other Wednesday, but I don't have time to film it, so I just put it all together in here for this month. Okay. So the first saving challenges here is from VDD Saves, Victoria. Hi, Victoria. So what I have here is I will finish this saving challenges. So how many left here? One icon is $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need $24 here, but I don't have a change. So what I'm going to do is I will make it as $30 then. Yeah, I put $30. So I take out $2. So it means that I save here $28. So it doesn't matter now that if the money is exact, but I just want to finish this. So now I finish it, and let's keep this aside so I can reallocate it later. So it's now 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So let's change this. So this is done. Yay! Ring the bell. Ring the bell, my bell. You can ring my bell. Oh, where's my bell? Come on, bell. Here. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Oh. So one challenge done. Let me put it there. And the next one. So this one is from Christy of CW Does Life. So what I have here is $28. And let's finish this one. So how much left here? 5, 10, 15 plus 7. So 17. So put 20 here. This is a $50 saves. Let's see. So am I correct? 15 plus 7. I think I counted wrong. Anyway, let's save $50 here to make it complete. Yay, yay, yay! And let's color this. Let's just cross it out. So if you don't know Christy, you can visit her channel. The name is CW Does Life. You can check her coffee shop as well. So second challenge done. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Next one. This is a roll and save. This is my own saving challenge. And I owe here $2. So let's get this. I think I have some money here for the prop money here, but later I will take it out. So I have $2 here. So let's roll and save. Roll and save, roll and save. Where's my... I'll just keep it aside, this one. Hold on, hold on. Okay. So 3. Put here 3. 5. Cannot see much. 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's finish this. 1, 1, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's calculate this. So we start here. So 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 13 plus 8 plus 15. So total is 54. So give me 54. But I don't have coins. And 54 plus how much? 27 plus 27 equals 81. So let's just get 81 here. 81, but I don't have change. Okay, let me change this into here. I hope there's a change. Okay, there's a change. All right. So total of 81. And let's just save here 80. I don't, so that $1, no need. So there's no coins on my saving challenge. Okay, this is done. Ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell. So I save here 81 minus 1. Okay. Let's get it on. Let's continue. So what left here? So only one challenge left here, which is from Way of the Budgeting Butterfly. So whatever I left here, I'll put it in this saving challenge. So, but before that, let's change the prop money. So this is $9. Let's just put 10. And color $1 here. $1 is purple. I will not color it, but just what I'm going to do is just grab everything here. And I will close this saving challenge. I will not continue it. I will discontinue so I can have a new butterfly saving challenge next time. So what I save here is 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 200 and how much? Sorry. Again, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, 290. So supposed to be a 500 saving challenge, but I cannot do it. So it's 290. And this is a freebie from Babe on her Google Drive. You can check her channel to see what's other freebies she got. And in her Copa shop also, there's a lot of freebies. So you can check her out. So my butterfly binder is empty. No more saving challenges. No more there. No more. It's just empty envelopes. Okay, let's close this out. So what I can do next time that I will film is I will finish some of my group plays, which is this one. But for now, I will finish this video and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for Lovelies for stopping by and watching and supporting my channel. I promise that I will release my 500 giveaway freebies and as well as my second year YouTube bursary freebies soon. But for now, let's end it up and bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Love ya. Bye.